Yeah, I think
there's like two groups. One came from like that side of us, the other one came from like over there.
I cannot see down unless I'm going like this.
The militia still causing problems over there. They still going hard.
Turn the volume down a little bit.
I don't know if there's pain going quick.
Where?
It came from the woods. Everybody's on.
Take a short clip of the noob too.
What? We only have one shot. We don't know exactly. I got the Nikes on. Is that the last firework?
Oh, you! Oh, we need you up front. You have a really fast fire, and you're super accurate.
You die?
No.
Oh, okay.
Who gave me this block?
Wait, this is mine, right? Yeah. Wait, Chase, you gave it to him? No. Wait, this isn't mine. Corey? Yeah! Oh, alright, coming!
What's fast?
Yours.
Where are they?
Get across, guys!
Go! Let's go!
Show it!
Break down. Break down.
No, no. John's right there. It's a break. Four people across at once, so.
4 people only. 4 people only.
4 people on the bridge at once, only.
Yeah. Move to the top of the hill, guys. Take it with focus, guys. Go! Go fast, guys. Go! You gotta go fast. There's way more people that need to get across. Go!
Where do we respawn? Back at the base?
Right here. This is fun.
Oh. I like the cross. Ah, gee! Arm hit! Gosh! I'm still getting shot.
Oh, hey, at least you saved.
Come on, guys, rush the bridge.
Well, you guys got to get across somehow.
I think I hit that motherfucker.
50 seconds. Go, guys. Go!
50 seconds or what?
That's what he said. That's what the main ref said.
Do you have better accuracy with just a single shot?
Oh, 15 seconds!
60 seconds. Go!
Get across the bridge!
Go!
30 seconds. Go!
Guys, don't go slow. Book it across the
Book
bridge.
it, guys!
Straight the area.
The bullets aren't
as fast as you. Go! I like that a lot. Yeah, country squad, they keep running up that hill and just getting owned. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear someone say
We're taking fire down here.
don't tell anybody until you respawn.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
I can tell him at first, right?
Yeah.
Close one kind of.
I've never seen one of those without the scope.
It looks kind of funky.
I think it looks pretty cool.
Is he friendly? Hey, is he friendly? That guy back there friendly? Yeah. I think he is. He's walking pretty casual. Like way down. Right there. Down there. Hey, are you friendly?
Connor, did you get him?
Oh, is Jeff right up there?
Yeah.
Stay on him. Stay on him.
How's that working for you?
Good. Very good. It's got a couple kills.
That's good.
You bid one?
Yeah.
Oh no crap, you want to be just floating.
Carry on like this. There. What? Yes? Here.
You're gonna jump down.
I'm not going with that. This is good.
I thought you were pulling a grenade. Oh, dude, don't. Not in here, because you'll start a fire.
Oh yeah.
Village. Oh, right in the nut.
Keep that locked down.
Man, why am I getting lit up and you guys aren't?